In the previous lessons, we learned that the study of rhythm is concerned with the relative duration of sound. In this lesson, we will begin our study of meter. Rhythm is connected with meter, but they are not the same thing. Meter is the natural division of rhythms into equal-sized groups. Let's explain what is meant by this. These 6 quarter notes can be grouped in various ways using what we call bar lines. By placing a bar line every 2 notes, these 6 notes can be grouped into 3 sets of 2. By placing a bar line every 3 notes, the 6 notes can be grouped into 2 sets of 3. We call the space from one bar line to the next a measure. In the first example, there are 3 measures. In the second example, there are 2 measures. What are we measuring? We are measuring time through beats. Have you ever heard someone say that a piece of music is in 3? What they mean by this is that there are 3 beats between each bar line. That is, 3 beats in each measure. The second example is in 3 because there are 3 beats in each measure. The first example is in 2 because there are 2 beats in each measure. Remember, the quarter note has been designated as the unit or the beat. Let's look at another example. It is very important to understand that 2 beats per measure does not necessarily mean 2 notes per measure. For example, although there is only 1 note in the second measure, it is equal to 2 beats. Therefore, every measure in this example contains the same number of beats, 2 beats in each measure. There are, however, not the same number of notes in each measure. In this example, there are 4 notes in the first measure, 1 note in the second measure, and 2 notes in the last measure. But when adding up the total number of beats in each measure, it can be seen that there are 4 beats in each. This is an example of music in 4.